Synonyms. Synonyms.
Are words that have the same or almost the same meaning as another word. Hear,
Listen.
forest,
Jungle.
quiet,
Silent.
finish,
End.
help,
Assist.
gift,
Present.
hard,
Difficult.
taxi,
Cab.
big,
Huge.
cap,
Hat.
gather,
collect,
baby,
Infant.
afraid,
Scared.
house,
Home.
small,
tiny,
sad,
Unhappy.
get,
Receive.
work,
Job.
box,
Carton.
rich,
Wealthy.
wrong,
Incorrect.
same,
alike,
fast,
Quick.
rag,
Carpet.
review. Hear and listen. Forest and jungle. Collect and gather. Help and assist. Hard and difficult. Small and tiny. Gift and present. Taxi and cab. Cap and hat. Work and job. Finish and end. Baby and infant. House and home. Sad and unhappy. Quiet and silent. Get and receive. Box and carton. Big and huge. Rich and wealthy. Scared and afraid. Same and alike. Rug and carpet. Wrong and incorrect. Fast and quick.